fucking thing. No, well, there we go. All right. Okay. So, wire kit.
You gotta tell me that's the dash kit.
Dash kit. I'll put it in the beginning. And the amp kit. Okay. Well, right.
Antenna adapter.
Antenna adapter. Because you need this for some reason. Kind of weird.
That's the fucking heaviest part right there.
This is the double din.
That's the double din.
Power acoustics double din. Take a look there. Okay. Oh. This is the amp.
That's the amp.
Free 1-year extended warranty. This is the punch amplifier, 400 watt RMS.
This is the shipping instructions right here.
Wow.
And the sub.
Where's the box?
What do you mean? Oh, it's in my trunk.
In the sub, this is the P212
I'll run it.
Rockford Fosgate.
I'll go ahead and run it.
Put all that shit in a fat box.
Aren't you saving that stuff?
So weird how these peanuts actually smell like peanuts.
Aren't you saving that
It
stuff?
was like popcorn. No.
I thought you were starting to save it.
I thought about it, but I'm not going to sell anything. Okay. This is a video of Brady's car audio install. He's got a Mazda 3 2011, the coupe form, and he got the 12-inch Rockford sub, Rockford amp, power acoustics double din, amp kit, dash kit, and some other bits and harnesses. And now he's bringing in the box for the sub.
There's some stuff on the bottom for my trunk. Some of it in here.
Put it in the big box. Do you know who makes this, or was it one of theirs?
This is SonicElectonics.
Okay, this is SonicElectonics box. Okay.
Box is way bigger than I thought it was going to be.
12. Well, how much cubic feet did it say?
It's 1.0.
Quite a bit. I mean, well, it's not. Obviously, like just to compare the bad box with 1.7. Oh, it's got the insulationing in it, which supposedly makes it sound better. Or bump better. I don't know what the hell that shit does. It makes you do something better.
Makes it look cool before you put the sub in.
Anyway, show them terminal. It's got a terminal. Followed by negative, positive. Alright.